Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to review one of the most affordable and reliable hosting and server providers out there, ZainHosting.com. Here, you'll find almost every kind of hosting service you can think of, from web hosting, reseller hosting, VPS, Linux and Windows, remote desktop, RDP, and dedicated servers, to domain registration, SSL certificates, and even email servers. Plus, there's also an affiliate program that lets you earn money by promoting their services. I've added the official website link in the description box below. Click on it to create your account. By signing up through that link, you'll get extra discounts and exclusive offers. So let's dive in and explore what ZainHosting.com has to offer, what kind of features you get, how much they cost, and why so many users are switching to them. 1. Web hosting. Let's start with their hosting section. There are two main types here: shared web hosting and reseller hosting. First, let's talk about shared hosting. If you're starting a new website, a blog, or a small business site, this is a great place to start. ZainHosting's starter plan includes 1 GB to 10 GB of bandwidth, a cPanel control panel, free SSL, and 24/7 support, starting at just $1.99 per month, which is impressively low compared to most international hosting companies. Once your order is confirmed, you'll receive your cPanel login details and activation info instantly via email. Now, moving on to reseller hosting, this plan is perfect for those who want to run their own hosting business under their brand name. You'll get full WHM access, the ability to create and manage multiple client accounts, and easy integration with WHMC for billing automation. Basically, if you're planning to resell hosting services and build your own client base, ZainHosting gives you all the tools to do that affordably.
2. VPS hosting, Linux and Windows. Next up, the most popular category, VPS hosting. ZainHosting offers both Linux VPS and Windows VPS, each optimized for performance, reliability, and cost efficiency. Linux VPS. ZainHosting's Linux VPS servers are hosted mainly in France data centers. You can choose from plans ranging from 2 GB up to 16 GB RAM. Here are some examples. FR Linux VPS 1, $7.99 per month, 2 GB RAM, 20 GB HDD, 1800 GB bandwidth. FR Linux VPS 2, $9.99 per month, 4 GB RAM, 40 GB HDD, 3800 GB bandwidth. FR Linux VPS 3, $14.99 per month, 8 GB RAM, 80 GB HDD, 7800 GB bandwidth. FR Linux VPS 4, $24.99 per month, 16 GB RAM, 160 GB HDD, 15,900 GB bandwidth. Each VPS plan comes with full root access, IPv4/IPv6 support, and the freedom to install any OS you like: Ubuntu, Debian, CentOS, and more. You can reboot, reinstall, or take snapshots directly from the ZainHosting control panel. Super convenient. Our Windows VPS. Now let's look at the Windows VPS options, perfect for GUI-based or remote desktop work. Plans range from 4 GB to 32 GB RAM. For example, Private Win VPS 2, $11.99 per month, 4 GB RAM, 40 GB SSD, 2 CPU cores. Private Win VPS 3, $19.99 per month, 160 GB SSD, 4 cores. Private Win VPS 4, $34.99 per month, 16 GB RAM, 240 GB SSD, 8 cores. Private Win VPS 5, $69.99 per month, 32 GB RAM, 240 GB SSD, 8-core Xeon CPU.
Windows VPS plans come with full admin access so you can log in remotely, install software, and run bots, render tasks, or automation tools with ease. In short, Linux VPS is more affordable, while Windows VPS is built for power users who need a complete desktop environment. 3. RDP services. Now let's move on to one of ZainHosting's most popular products, RDP, Remote Desktop Services. Here, you can choose RDP servers from multiple countries like USA, UK, Germany, Canada, Netherlands, Singapore, India, Japan, Korea, and Australia, each offering different configurations and pricing. Let's look at a few examples from the USA RDP list. 1 GB RDP, $6.99 per month, 1 GB RAM, 20 GB NVMe storage, 1 CPU core. 2 GB RDP, $9.99 per month, 2 GB RAM, 30 GB NVMe storage. 4 GB RDP, $12.99 per month, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB NVMe storage. 8 GB RDP, $19.99 per month, 8 GB RAM, 4 cores. All RDP plans include dedicated IP, NVMe SSD storage, and high-speed internet connectivity. These are perfect for freelancers, data entry operators, automation users, or anyone who needs a remote PC to run online tasks. RDP services come in two types: shared RDP, no admin access, suitable for basic use; private RDP, full admin access, complete control, software installation allowed. And the best part, you can even get a 2-day trial RDP for just $0.99 to test the performance before buying. 4. Other services. Besides hosting and VPS, ZainHosting also provides several other essential services. Domain registration. Register domains like .com, .net, .org, and more, all manageable from their simple domain dashboard. Includes DNS management and WUIS protection. SSL certificates. Free SSL comes with most plans, but you can also upgrade to premium SSLs, perfect for e-commerce or payment-based websites. Email and SMTP servers. You can create your own domain-based professional email server and use SMTP for bulk or marketing emails with high delivery rates. Dedicated servers. For high-traffic websites or large-scale projects, you can get fully customizable dedicated servers with full root access. Affiliate program. If you're a blogger, YouTuber, or digital marketer, you can earn passive income by promoting ZainHosting services. You'll get a commission every time someone buys using your referral link.
I've added the official website link in the description box below. Click on it to create your account. By signing up through that link, you'll get extra discounts and exclusive offers.
5. Payment and support. One thing I really like about ZainHosting is their flexible payment system. They accept PayPal, debit credit cards, crypto, BTC, USDT, LTC, and even local bank or wallet payments in some regions. Before purchasing, I'd recommend using their live chat to confirm which plan best fits your needs. Their support team is friendly and quick to respond. They provide 24/7 live chat and ticket-based support, and most VPS or dedicated server setups are completed within 24 to 72 hours. 6. Why choose Zain Hosting? So, why should you choose Zain Hosting? Extremely affordable plans compared to competitors. Global data centers across Europe, America, and Asia. Multiple payment options, including crypto. 24/7 live technical support. And an affiliate program for earning extra income. In short, Zain Hosting is an all-in-one hosting provider that combines affordability, performance, and reliability.
And that's it for today's review of ZainHosting.com. If you're looking for high-performance hosting, VPS or RDP at budget-friendly prices, you should definitely check them out. I've added the official Zain Hosting link in the description below, so you can visit, explore the plans, and order your preferred service directly. Don't forget to contact their live support before buying. They'll help you pick the perfect plan for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and keep growing online.